Hello everyone, we are going to explore this Miro app, so come and join us. First, go to Google and search for Miro. And the one with the yellow logo, labeled Miro, the innovation workplace should appear. Then click it on. Miro is an innovative workspace where teams manage projects, design products, and build the future together. After clicking, the welcome sign for Miro will appear, and you will need to enter your work email to sign up for free. Then of course, the cookies on the Miro site will pop up. You can choose whether to reject or accept all the cookies, and as for me, I will choose accept all cookies, and now I will enter my email to sign in. After signing in, a series of 1 to 5 questions about your team will appear. The first question is about your team name, for example, BTT Group. The next question asks what kind of work you do, offering options like design, marketing, engineering development, operations, sales and success, product management, and more. And since we are a student, we will choose the student option. It will also ask what your role is within the team, and I will select the contractor or the freelancer. Miro will then ask if you've ever used the app before, and you can click yes a couple of times or yes quite often. But since it's our first time using Miro, we will select no, it's our first time. Next, you can choose your company size. The options are only me, 2 to 50 people, 51 to 200 people, and more than 5K. Since we are a group of 6 for this activity, we will select 2 to 50 people. And after that, you can proceed by clicking continue. It will then show that you can invite your team from Slack, Google, or Microsoft by entering their email addresses to send invites. You can also copy the link and share it with your team members through Messenger. But for now, we will click skip for now to explore Miro a bit more. To start using Miro, it will show you some popular templates in the library that you can use later. There are options like flowcharts, customer journey mapping, learning loops, retro-perspective frameworks, and many more. But we will choose to start from scratch so we can explore it later.
After signing in, we can now see and use all the features of Miro. Since we started from scratch, here are all the templates that we can use. On this part, we can change or rename our board. We can add a new board, duplicate, export, move to, store this board, delete, change the background color, start view, and see the history. We can also see here the edit, view, and preferences. With Miro, we can also use the AI feature, which we can just type the things that we need like images, diagram, and many more. For example, we can type here organizational chart, then just click generate diagram. And just a few seconds, it generates the chart that you need.
This is the intelligent template for you to explore. And there's a lot of features here like meeting and workshop, brainstorming, strategy and planning, presentation slide, and etc. Just scroll down. You can also custom template. Let's try flowchart and then use template. Here, this is the flowchart look like. You can also use this one. There's a lot of shape here that you can use. I will click Manage Shape. This is the flowchart look like. You can use sticky notes and pick the color that you want and put it here. This is the choices of colors. Put the sticky note here and add text. I will type BTT activity. You can also resize and put the sticky notes anywhere. And this is the features that you can use. There is switch type, font style, font size, alignment, insert link, sticker size, fill color, show author, add tag, add emoji, cluster object, comment, lock, and more.
To see the author, just click Show Author and it will show Jasmine Celso as the author.
You can also add tag here. Just type their Miro account here and create. This is the cute emojis that you can use.
And as you can see, we have here the untitled document and you can type here whatever you want. And on the side, you can see the text. And then below it, there's shapes and lines. And when you click that, you can see that there's a lot of lines and shapes that you can pick. And here, we try the line and it shows the line and the line type. You can change the color, you can insert a shape, the text, and you can lock it and then more. And below that, we have the pen, the highlighter, the smart drawing, and you can also pick colors and the thickness of your pen. Below that, we have the tools and then the media. You can search the tools, and below that there's frame, the stickers, emoji, comment, docs, the table, the card, the code block, grid, mind map, the note, people, user card, the programming, the layers, the organizational chart, planner, smart sheet, chart, poll, spinner wheel, and more.
Click on the share button at the top right. A pop-up window will appear allowing you to enter emails or invite people via Slack, Google, or Microsoft. You can also copy the invite link and share it with your team. After inviting your teams, you can set the board start view. This ensures that newly added members see the most relevant part to the board when they first open it. Click Done to confirm. Now that your team is in, let's enhance collaboration by tagging member in a sticky notes. Select a note, type @ followed by their username or email. This sends them a notification, making it easy to assign tasks and get feedback. You can also customize notes by choosing color, resizing, and adding emojis, making the board more interactive and visually organized.
Here you can see the frame where you can input on your project just like this picture, and also you can see the reaction button here where different emoticons will appear just like the heart, wow, wave, and party. You can send different emoticons on your project or on your team members' projects. Also, there is a timer here so you can manage your time on your task and stay on track on your project. Here you can see the activity board where all your projects will be listed or all your tasks, and also there's the team task where you can see all your team projects. And next is the voting where your decision makings will be easily because of this voting. Next is the private mode and notes. In notes, there are different templates just like the to-do list template. In to-do list, you can add an activity or task here and add in the activity log. You can pin it if it's a super important activity or task. You can see here the video call, the present frames. You can also present your frames in your organization or team. After zooming out, you can see all the projects your team or organization will have. You can monitor their progress and you can see who's working and who's done on their project. Here you can zoom and see a team member's progress. And if their work is incredible or there's something wrong, you can react on their project. And after done with the project, you can save it as PDF, save to Google Drive, save to image, save board, and many more. And lastly, on the side, you can see the tools needed for making this project work. And that is all for the experiences we have for exploring the Miro app. And for our conclusion about the Miro app is a powerful and versatile online collaboration tool that enhances teamwork, creativity, and productivity. With its intuitive interface, vast selection of templates, and real-time collaboration features, it is particularly useful for brainstorming, project planning, and remote team discussions. The app's flexibility, integration with other tools, and visual appeal make it an excellent choice for individuals and teams looking to streamline their workflows. However, while Miro offers a seamless experience, it may have a learning curve for new users, and its advanced features are best utilized with a premium subscription. Overall, Miro is a valuable platform for anyone seeking an interactive and efficient way to collaborate visually.